Let's go, everyone. Today we are unboxing this Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Nasal Mist. So this starts working in seconds, according to that sticker. Drug-free, that's good, non-addictive. You use this daily and it instantly relieves your everyday congestion. So moisturizing your dry nose, good for the summer. Yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. Looks like it helps with a lot of stuff. Daily care, the instructions, directions, pretty self-explanatory. All right, let's unbox this, see how the packaging looks like and how the spray nozzle looks like. See if anything's changed from the last time we opened up one of these. So even if I've unboxed the same product on a channel again, I just keep it up, or I do it again later. Just in case, a lot of times manufacturers will change up packaging. Lately I've noticed things have gotten a little cheaper, smaller, cheaper, you never know. So it's nice to have the history, 4.5 ounces now. This is what it looks like. Boom, you see that? Wow. All right, everyone. I will drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. And please let me know what you think about this nasal mist in the comment section below. All right, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.